Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of beauty and makeup, but with a twist. We're not just aiming for a flawless face. We're seeking inspiration for a chic and modern lifestyle. It's about enhancing your natural beauty while reflecting a sense of effortless sophistication. Let's start with the basics: skincare. A radiant complexion is the foundation of any great makeup look. Focus on a simple yet effective routine. Cleanse, moisturize, and protect. Find products that suit your skin type and stick to them. Remember, consistency is key. Next, consider your makeup style. Think about the less is more approach. A modern look often embraces natural tones and subtle enhancements. For your base, opt for a lightweight foundation or tinted moisturizer. This evens out your skin tone without feeling heavy. Concealer is your best friend for any imperfections. Moving on to the eyes, consider a neutral eyeshadow palette. Browns, taupes, and soft pinks are perfect for everyday wear. A touch of mascara can instantly open up your eyes. If you're feeling adventurous, experiment with a subtle eyeliner. Perhaps a soft brown or a smudged charcoal. Eyebrows? Keep them neat and well-defined, but avoid over-plucking. A brow gel or a pencil that matches your natural hair color works wonders. For your lips, choose colors that complement your skin tone. Nude lipsticks and tinted lip balms are always a safe bet. If you want a pop of color, try a classic red or a soft berry. But remember, a bold lip is a statement. Balance it with a more subdued eye look. But makeup is not just about the products you use. It's about how you apply them. Invest in quality brushes and tools. Learn the basics of blending. Practice makes perfect. Watch tutorials, experiment with different techniques, and find what works best for you. Now, let's talk about the chic and modern lifestyle. Think about what this means to you. Is it about minimalist living? Perhaps it's about embracing sustainability. Maybe it's about focusing on experiences rather than material possessions. Your beauty routine should reflect these values. Choose brands that align with your lifestyle. Look for cruelty-free, vegan, and sustainable products. Consider refillable options to reduce waste. And remember, beauty is not just about the products, it's about self-care. Take time for yourself. Pamper yourself. Develop a positive relationship with your body. Finally, remember that makeup is a form of self-expression. It's about feeling good in your own skin. Don't be afraid to experiment. Don't be afraid to try new things. Have fun with it, and most importantly, embrace your unique beauty. Thank you for watching, and stay chic.